With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is which relation involve iodometric titration? Which relation involve iodometric titration? Four reactions are given here. Which one is iodometric titration? Let's take the answer. What is iodometry? Is also known as iodometric titration. Iodometry is always also known as iodometric titration. It is a method of volumetric chemical analysis. It is a method of volumetric chemical analysis. Okay, chemical analysis. A redox titration where the appearance or disappearance of elementary iodine indicates the endpoint. A redox titration where the appearance or disappearance of elementary iodine indicates the endpoint. Okay. It involved indirect titration of iodine. It involved indirect titration of iodine. Liberated by a reaction with the analyte. With the analyte or reducing agent. Okay. With the analyte. Whereas iodometry involved direct titration using iodine. Whereas iodometry involves direct titration using iodine as the titrant. So the iodometric titration, indirect titration of iodine. Okay. So to a known volume of sample, an excess but known amount of iodine is added, which the oxidizing agents, okay, oxidizes iodide to iodine. To a known volume of sample, an excess but known amount of iodide. Is added, which the oxidizing agents oxidizes iodide to iodine. Iodine dissolves in the iodide containing solution to give triiodide ions. Iodide dissolves. Okay. Iodide dissolves in the iodide containing what? Containing solution to give triiodide ions. Triiodide ions, which have a dark brown color. Okay. So in option A and C. So we can conclude that in option A and C, in option A and C, iodine reacts with oxidizing agent and produces iodide. Here, iodine reacts with oxidizing agent and produces iodide. Hence, option A and C are the correct options. Hence, option A and C are the correct options. Option B and D. Option B and D. B and D are the iodometric reactions. Iodometric reactions. Okay. Iodometric. These are the iodometric reactions. So option B and D are wrong one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.